Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this really easy scarecrow. So let's get started. And if you just like to use this as an applique, don't put stuffing in it and you can just use it wherever you'd like. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is make the head. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 20. Okay, I have chain 20. Slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Chain 1. Single crochet in each stitch all the way around. To make a single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. So go ahead and single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I've gone ahead and I have single crocheted in each stitch all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. And now you're going to work around and around in a spiral, making one single crochet in each stitch. So go ahead and single crochet around and around. Like that, over and over and over. Okay, I've worked around and around until this measures approximately 2.5 inches. It doesn't have to be exact, and I can tell I'm at the end of a row because there's my yarn end. So now I'm just going to hold the two ends together and I'm going to slip stitch all the way across to join. So just match the stitches and slip stitch all the way across the row. Like that, and then you can fasten off. And I'm going to stuff the cavity. Thread this yarn end into a needle. And I'm just going to sew the bottom closed. To make the hat, I'm going to start with a foundation chain that wraps all the way around this section. So make a chain any length that you need. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked a chain, and we'll just make sure that it wraps all the way around. And I'm going to slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. And I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2, 1, 2, 1, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and at the end of the row I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the double crochet, and that is going to be the hat brim, and that's going to fit like that. So now we're going to make the top of the hat, and I'm going to work in this row of stitches, so I'm going to have to get back down there. So I'm just going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then I'm going to slip stitch in that double crochet stitch, and that'll be underneath and in the back, so it won't show. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. So 1 double crochet in each stitch. Like that, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the double crochet, and that is going to fit like that. chain 2, double crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the double crochet. And now I'm going to make one more row of double crochet here, but I want the hat to flare out a little bit at the top. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to double crochet in the next stitch and in the next stitch, and then I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and I'm going to work all the way across the row. So I'm going to do double, double, 2 double, 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 2 double, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the double crochet and fasten off. And I'm going to thread a length of yarn into a yarn needle, and this is the top of the hat, so I'm going to sew all the way across the top. All the way across. Okay, I worked all the way across. Now I'm just going to weave the yarn end into the finished work. I'm going to pass through the bottom row of double crochet stitches all the way around. I'm passing through every second stitch. Pull it a little bit just to gather it. Tie a knot and trim off the ends. I'm going to sew the hat to the head. Like that, all the way around. I am on purpose doing one button smaller than the other, just to give it a bit of a wonky look. And I have a little orange button that I'm going to use for the nose, like that. And I'm going to sew those on. For the body, I wrapped yarn around a 7-inch piece of paper, and I'm going to tie it off and then cut open the bottom. Now for the arms, I'm going to take 8, and on the other side as well, 8. And I'm going to tie those off approximately here. And I've divided the bottom into 2 sections. Now if you wanted to, you could sew this on here, but I'm going to use my glue gun. So I'm going to place some glue here and attach that. And I have a piece of fleece here, and this is from some pajama pants. And I'm going to cut a strip, and I'm going to place the strip across the back and cross it in the front like this. And then I have another smaller strip, and I'm going to tie that around the waist. and then hot glue it in place. And you can use this as an applique or add a yarn body and use it in wreaths or floral arrangements. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.